Hi, good afternoon. Vince Attardo with A1 Best Plumbing. You've tried the rest, now call the best. A1 Best Plumbing. Today I'm going to talk about different problems people have within their plumbing system. Often I get calls to snake a line and people don't understand why they're having problems with their plumbing, and often it's just simple maintenance. First, let's talk about roots. Roots in the line are typically due to an offset, a breach in the line, cracks where the gaps would be, or where the couples would be, where the pipes are joined together. Roots are in the ground and they're getting in and searching for water and they're getting into the pipes. Really, really bad situation when you have roots in your line. Next would be feminine products, often wipes as well, or villains. They say wipes can be used, toilet safe, etc. Whether it's a shorter wipey or a more absorbent wipey, wipes do not go down the drain. They're one of the plumber's best friends for having us out to clear lines. Those wipes, especially the bigger ones, get caught up in the roots if there are roots there. And another common cause of blockage, other than just too much toilet paper at one time, would be when there's a belly in the line. So if there's a belly in the line, that means the gravity is not working the way it should and water's accumulating in the pipe. So keep that in mind. Those are your common problems that people have with their lines not draining properly.